G'day all. About a week ago, I put a picture of this up on the Maymod forum and the Office of Steam forum, and I said I'd buy one and see in fact if it actually worked. It was around $5, and let's see what we get for $5. Okay, there's the wooden base. There's the boat. There's the candle. Okay, we'll open her up. Plastic. So there's the boat keys. I'll tell you what, that's flimsy, but it's a boat. There's our candle to operate it. Where's this go? There must be something more for this, surely. Here's the instructions. Okay, is there something missing? Well, that's great. The main part is missing is this little black rubber grommet that was supposed to go in the bottle. We've got that bit of black plastic, but we don't have that part there. It's not in there. Candle. Oh, what a buffhead. Okay, open it on my buffhead. Here it is here. That's good. So Operation Steamboat. Can anyone read Chinese? Because I can't. But I think we can follow it. So, got to build the wood like this, like that. Put some water in the little glass vial. Put the rubber stopper that I thought didn't come with it. Put the bottle with a bit of water in there. Okay, and we've got these double-sided tape to put on the boat. And we stick the wood on here. That's going to be for the exhaust. Candle goes on the bottom of the bottle. And there we have the... Okay, that's what the little black thing goes on at the end of that. Now, it's not going to look like this, but that's what it's supposed to emulate. Alright, let's have at it. Okay, now that we know that we've got all the parts, let's start making this. This is all laser cut. That's the one part. So we need this bit. And that goes in here. Okay. Alright, that looks good. We need this little part here. Amazing how they can cut this out with laser, isn't it? Alrighty, shove this in here. Sausage fingers, of course. And then we need this last piece. And this goes up this way. So it's going to go in here. And into there like that. Okay, it's come out. So it's at that little bit of an angle for the bottle, I'd say. Push it in nice and tight. Alright, what's next? Okay, we've got to put some water in the bottle. Looks like it's about just maybe a third full. Okay, it looks good. Now we'll put the part on that I didn't think we had. Alright, so this has got to get poked in through here. So get poked, yeah, that's about. So that's going to go. Okay, now I'm following it, so that sits there like that. Looks a bit high though. Yep, that's looking about right. So, what's next? Got to put double-sided tape on our little boat. There, and there. Alright, I won't bore you with this. I'll turn this bit off now and I'll come back when I've got this tape on. Okay, got the double-sided tape down. So the idea now is to, whereabouts does this get positioned? Right, okay, so put that there. Push down nice and firmly. Yep, that's that done. So now we take the candle out of the bag. Candle goes there to boil the water. Then we've got this black thing here. Now looking at this photo, pretty sure that's a bit of shrink heat tubing. I think that goes on there. It looks like you've applied a little bit of heat to neck this down. So it must cause the steam to go through a narrower. Yeah, it's okay. That's what they've done. So that heat shrink tubing's gone down, so it's a small hole. But the idea is to get more force with the steam coming out. There we go. So there we have our boat. Light the candle. Boils this water in here, makes steam. Steam is going to exit out of here, and our boat is going to move off. It's we've got a hellishly westerly wind blowing here. All the Aussies watching this, as soon as I mention the word westerly, they'll know exactly what I'm talking about. This time of the year, beginning of spring, mid-spring, we get these westerly winds coming in from the west, blowing out to the ocean. But I'll see if I can find somewhere outside, out of the wind, and we'll go and we'll test this little steamboat. All right. Okay, we're out the fish pond. That wind is a bloody bit of a drama. Unfortunately, hang on, one more go. No, unfortunately, this isn't going to work out here. The wind out here is just absolutely dreadful. All right, plan B. All right, plan B. Unfortunately, the wind here this morning is just an absolute shocker. But we'll light that candle. Candle's alight. It shouldn't take that long for that water to boil. It's going to be interesting to see if this works. I'm out in the garage workshop. It's a detached tin shed. This is the sink that's out there. You can probably hear the wind and the leaves smashing against it. Alright. I won't bore you. I'll fast forward this until that water starts to boil. Alrighty, it's getting close. You can see it's a few bubbles starting to there, and there's a little bit of steam on top of the glass. It looks like it's starting to boil. What do you reckon? Do you reckon this is going to move along under steam power? I don't know, I've got my doubts, but we'll see. Okay, well, it's moving. We haven't flipped over and we haven't sunk. So that's a plus. I suppose a bit of fun for $5 investment. I'll move it over here. Let's start boiling properly. Okay, that's definitely moving. Don't think I'd like to go out deep sea fishing in it. I'll take it over to this corner. I think we've got a bit of leakage out of that rubber gasket. Look, you can see the steam. You see the steam coming out? There's a fair bit of steam coming out. Oh, there we go. It stopped boiling for some reason. Oh, jet powered then. There we go. Well, I wasn't sure it was going to work at all. So I suppose that's something. Something how that flame's right underneath that, but it's not just a continuous boil in that vial. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's a fair bit of steam exiting out that tube. There we go. Okay, there we have it. A $5 steamboat from Temu. I'll just blow that candle out. And tell me what you think of that, guys. Bit of fun. Alright, as always, bye for now. Thanks for watching.